Good News FM, Sekendi Takrade,
Gateway FM, Dambai,
Virgin City FM, Konongo,
Arise FM, Chifupraso,
Tricky FM, Inchi,
Trust FM, Abotuase,
Alive FM, Yeti,
Solar FM, Dunkwao, Offeng,
Cape 93.3 FM, Cape Coast,
Atobu FM, Atebubu,
Jakpa FM, Bupe,
Asafo 99.1 FM, Elmina,
Velvet, Amenfi West,
ABC Radio, Tamale,
West FM, Elubo,
Splash FM, Asenfosu,
Live 107.5 FM, Cape Coast,
Quest FM, Bekum,
and Daso FM, Jape Crew,
Salt FM, Agogo,
Gift FM, Doma Hinkro,
Moonlight Radio, Sunyaya,
Luke FM, Tapa Abotuasi,
Life FM, Ngoko,
Charity FM, Dwayo Nkwanta,
Trinity FM, Bogoso,
Storm FM, Sunyai,
Echa FM, Nkransa,
and Cobra FM, Axim,
Asase FM, Pandai,
Rivers FM, Wase Kropon,
Oti Radio, Dambai,
Yankee FM, Sampa,
Winners FM,
True FM, Ades, Adansie 98.9, Asante Achim Agogo,
Des 90.3, Asante Bekwai,
Ashojaman FM, Achimpuku,
Fresh FM, Kade Kwaye Bibri,
Kings FM, Sekendi Takrade,
Radio Rainbow, Seshidwaboso,
Space FM, Takwa,
West Coast, Sekendi Takrade,
Vision FM,
was so the echo so we are fanning na a brown mehokra. Test the Adom Echo 8787 and no Ubenya SMS news, information alert, any updates. I have fought the echoes will be at your fanning na every Adom TV, Adom FM, any adomonline.com. Shannon song, some message be our send the beer. 15 pesos. Adom FM, yeah, 12. Adom TV, yeah, what, yeah.
Say dear, Insure FM, Edin Yesi or Ghana, and we are here for Neighbor Beer, Air Tower Bubuano, and phone Baby Hour, Yedin Yabisi Beer, and Manu phone so. Ye hear us over test NF, Ako 8787, Yabeto 15 pesos per Udem, near Kosu Beer, Yedbem Manu phone so. See a good Yamunsem, a Jadiamunsem, and Nigidiamunsem, and I knew some piano, Yenebro, some propra. Insure FM, a one day.
And red to say was on the echoes will be a fanning na a brown mehokra. Test the Adom Echo 8787 and no. Ubenya SMS news, information alert, any updates. I have fought the echoes will be at your fanning na every Adom TV, Adom FM, any adomonline.com. Shannon song, some message be our best send the beer. 15 pesos. Adom FM, yeah, 12. Adom TV, yeah, what, yeah.
Say dear, Insure FM.
Yeah. Stay safe. Wash your hands at the running water for at least 20 seconds. Sanitize your hands and please stay at home. We are the world. We are the children. There's a chance to make it. We're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a brighter day. Just you and me. Lord of mercy, now sanitize your hands and wash your hands day by day. Remind someone to do the same thing too. 'Cause there's a chance we'll make it. We're saving our own lives. It's true. We know love is all we need. We are the world. We are the children. So let's stay at home. There's a chance we're making.
FM Sekendi Takrade,
Gateway FM Dambai,
Virgin City FM Konongo,
Arise FM Chifupraso,
Tricky FM Enchi,
Trust FM Abotoase,
Alive FM Yeti.
Solar FM Dunkwan Offeng,
Cape 93.3 FM Cape Coast,
Atobu FM Atebubu,
Jakpa FM Bupe,
Asafo 99.1 FM Elmina,
Velvet Amenfi West,
ABC Radio Tamale,
West FM Elubo,
Splash FM Asen Fosu,
Live 107.5 FM Cape Coast.
Chris
Aka
FM
enkono na nonso abo emra. His Excellency the Vice President Adom Nsem etudwa. In fact, I know our website www.deliverytracker.gov.gh eho entoma Adom Nsem dodo no etudwa. Banana pai mission komo twetwe no aseneme ne Honorable Felix Kwache Ofosu, a former Deputy Communication Minister and Parliamentary Candidate Abra Asebu Kwamankese on the ticket of the NDC. Meneno Beshan Komotwe no as Felix Otemenka.
I'm talk very.
I want you.
Nyame adom mena na waka be bi here. Me ho ye se ku ni abaka.
Oh, una naka baby.
For the and I need na abaka.
Oh, Kafra. And now when you am ready Vice President.
Ane me nyame.
In fact, what can I say went here enka minging because me follow on Facebook and as and when obe make key statement bia wo feel say enya no kre no you put something on Facebook and minim say no utie will take away from the whole presentation ebe den yensha see free Felix.
Yo me that's me be. Me say who can read media ni na now this to instead yes wa. Ni ti awon hwe mu ane say na MPP aban ne pese o kire. Say eye impunjuma ye NDC for de bia ye dia dance ya ho kroje ba. Say ye modern no e wo suru bebre tin omo no. Na opeso ye bibi ni kire say that's you dey no call the way ye no. Na bro ne say wa confirm me say NDC ye wo vastly superior record. Just say ye dwuma ya no. E bro na na be dey so bebre. Think that so be anywhere. That for me is a summary. So me born top silence here.
But then what true challenge say key pointer there be a more demonstration so nyina no eye niam amoye no second term in office but one more first term in office so far 17,334 projects and almost shas here since 2017 almost wie mo 8,746 and what is saying Felix
a big kind of MVP you are married 4 years and almost years or married 4 years and to me so the man penny mama year 2 years when in government
I see
and now me name at the phone a kind of before MultiMedia Group 4 years or my estimate 8 years almost kata go let it be committing political suicide because it is not possible the fact once I may I did understand since yeah bad them one me shall see the NDC me the every single project NDC ayo make me catch you with absolute certainty I tinye di no say it is not possible age me mad that say NDC before 4 years no I see on my mama 4 years limpo and I was saying 8 years now on my penny mills count it is awesome no enya no credit there's no basis for it I thought some years no so what share project need here on my base a 17,000 go let's say it is a huge joke I ask some and I pay out from Facebook wala the be able host here be send this limit this will not qualify for an achievement book of an assemblyman. Say for achievements there's no way that these projects will find space because a mediocre a idea a work from said the assemblyman in Pono is this what this idea will be Pono. Opa, the toilet Bakubia, young plaster, Bako just one toilet, young plaster.
Felix, my Facebook was here, and these are some of the me quoting audio to Facebook. These are some of the projects the MPP is passing off as achievement. in a bid to compare themselves to the vastly superior record of the NDC in all sectors. Now, picture where the Hanum says, this, where they as will be fear toilet, kit will be a one more, and also could sample anything.
But a joy news, my sister station joy news. And a shot your prior so I have another picture joy news on my caption crowd. Wait, and I'm passing it off as achievement, Jerry. It was super say a baby bad, but not the idea with a chair. As I buy no, your cost of quality is woman and now. How can this be passed off as achievement? I wish I had a green book anymore. There's no way I deal with them because we will not consider it as worthy. And some for that, said you see the coach Ghana. Into 17,000, and yes, I am a way, and I'm a cambo moment they trade. But yeah, achievement booker. Young fat idea way back. Yeah, the major achievements and investment. Into so calculating is every single project. Over politics back who could not say a project into the account one. Now we need to create Ghana for that is not how you measure achievement. Yeah, achievements no. You share the skill, the test ya any boy a swim, any faswa, if you move back, and many people don't know any of their account. It's my memory of a near war, you made you actually said £5 water project. Chevy, any of Sinafi, any other cancer, and what is still reading come.
Yes.
If you buy a green book in where room, sharp project no. Nipper and Pimpim and a moment, you know, so I can learn. But young cock, stroke it to a beer, the politics back, if you will uncle family and say a achievement. Because the impact is minimal. And once you start to another emphasis for an a TV, and some fata, say, a list of government achievements. Into the woman say, there's not a single sector, MP before, on achievements, no, a bank, the no. Now, me, I have thrown a challenge. Vice President, maybe I said you need to know, and he cannot come for a debate with me. But they should send their very best for a debate sector by sector on that use. And see whether that was a your mayor and that. And to me, I'm functioning so far. Said they have achievements comparable to ours. Now, Makasa, my member specific example, sector by sector. So, at the same one, Mr. Senate about the Akase, almost about 3,000 projects here. Almost 1,000.
No, on education, no, one more 2,699 in total. And one more every year, I completed 1,253. Ongoing, 1,446 education infrastructure.
Mother, yeah, basic school in Kwantake. There are over 3,031 computer projects. Basic school, and we are in Shakri School. Okay. Over secondary school, a young Dwaso school now. There were 1,021 projects a year. In fact, yes, you have 766. And no, and then before by ya, almost say a young money. In fact, Abra, almost Parliament, Eddie get fan put here, so I'm going to $1.5 billion.
Felix, me patrol, Mama Twaso, but Mammy figure need you on education infrastructure. No, I want to put it down.
Basic level, 3,031. 6 unit classroom blocks, any other project, any year or basic level. It's at yes to cook again. Shawoba, Nasma making, apart from book Lankasano, Ministry of Education and Nayan almost publish Omangasa Group. It's Opa, I can give you a copy of that book. In fact, we add pictures. Shawoba secondary school level, there were 1,021 projects a year, including 188 dormitories. And now, yes, I 766 projects. Now, 766 projects, MPD buy no, and no more Bosia, Eddie get funds here, and on the days was, and no more the back actually say, on my Asha, ye, into Sa or more. If it's 1,000 projects, I'm stuck. 766 make up. Shawoba University level, not tertiary level. Yeah, there was 3 universities. There were a University of Energy and Mineral Resources. There were University of Science of Health and Life Sciences. And I work University of Environment and Sustainable Development. Bien sa, Nana Akufo-Addo, he has 0 universities. Only university ba kokra. So back secondary school, Omampeni mama. Was Juma say there were 123 secondary schools. Answer ni ebe tia be mu no. Na emu mako is watching 80. Ye pages from one edu soro. Emu 49 wie na nkwala akomu school. And at the aka no so na go say edu various stages of completion. Na Akufo-Addo enra but abamia ka say 9 secondary schools pe and all year we no kan wie. For 9 total 123. You see, there's no basis. In so be anywhere. In terms of infrastructure. My emra for modern.
Now, before I go one of the issues NDC for Murezi before free SHS, and when they say abai 1-2 block back by way of say school and now Bibisa and so I introduce the free SHS. I no how but looking at the figures and Vice President put it out, wouldn't you admit it's quite impressive?
Many say Obiaka say amount of block the aka say we should see how many now the two Romaya and from. There's nothing impressive about inheriting 766 projects. Now we're about to now they pay 120 the account. Now what do we want to be just at basic level no or what 3,000 projects. There's nothing impressive about that. And now in some woman can say almost 4 years no, or my business 8 years no. We no, Bruni say a false flat, a ship from say broom. It's like the English would be you cannot compare 2,000 projects overall to 3,000 projects at just basic level. Make only one secondary school maybe. Yang yes you are 49, another 31 it do various stages of completion. And now they 40 I think another year better. Almost this record. There were 3 universities. Nanado or was 0 universities. We'll see university back. There's nothing impressive about your mocha.
Okay, but still on education. Is it not because project mumufia bemu muja sabai ba no beto aswa probably then the issue of sharing the glory say any starting on that argument would have come up. Felix.
Masa, there's no issue of sharing glory. Nipa ye di project na man say one year. Yeah, banya e face ka see am. Enunti e na man fini before da ye be no ye breed up. Enunti ni man fini before so no ye N1 highway. N1 highway no. The entire construction President Mills Abreso from 2009 to 2011 any year. But talk I say abra oko pa ho ntoma no. Oni o man fini before na koy. To show say Papa Kufo and what them want to project by because of Millennium Challenge Compact. Man penny for almost 700 million. And in the idea breed them. But breed them NDC, we have never claimed it as our achievement. Because he has only said man penny for the copy by. Into the Pesica and now the project no man. Sometimes we meet Pesicano at the year every year. Sometimes we Pesicano at the sharp year. And I sometimes we Pesicano to as for project this year, going to see a process, Jerry, and then we get $1 million something more say to Diamamia. Mepa, project site community water. Once I will be a responsible person, obey a project, no, we are, I will get hold of my house.
Yes.
It's a Sicano and they make it different. So what matters?
Matoa say,
MP proper creditor, a project and another, and Casa Apesica, ACA, and answer what Pesica Asha here. And our Pesica to what a buy for the no benya credit. Not the what better say what to us. Because my memory example. So we share Tematum Pakadam project now. A Indian Exim Bank. Exim Bank project no. Sikana yam family are buying. Bank no, it's can directly the contractor. In some cases no, the top material. Or my year at this kind of boy and Bosiano at the break contract and straight. If they say I buy the project to be done. Once you agree to a contract and select a contractor. So what matters?
Okay.
You see, there's nothing like credit sharing. either say when I ye and I say no na ye you know bia emu no
okay, now Felix, you're making progress. Health infrastructure, Vice President Eddie Tujano, 673 in total. Completed 378. Ongoing 295. In fact, ongoing Nukrano, there are some projects we inherited from the NDC government. Wama trust we wama complete.
Mr. Bonese a mediocre. Vice President has said from highest achievement, no, 423 chief compounds. A part of any chief compound, you was 1,600 a year, 1,600. Yang, you were teaching hospital. A year hospital, you did share a doctor what you. And only University of Ghana Medical Center, a quaternary hospital, the most advanced hospital in West Africa. You find our regional hospital, I hear rate. Nanado, or was 0 teaching hospital. Only regional hospital back Okra. Yang, there were 14 district hospitals. Nanado, 1 pet, and a doctor Bamiati or Okrano, I feel no more Jumasi, I was Shama. Shawoba, a year health center. There were over 38. And I just compounds and a macan, over 1,600. Polyclinics in Kwa, or Mampeni Mama was 22. Nanado, or was a 1 was a 2. Into again, and yet the number of Beboso was 600, no, and other custom. We share the kind of hospital. Because Red Hospital, a year 420 beds, no, Nipa, a show mono. Edwards the same. A year 287 safe compounds are Nanado million. Because of population size. And now, I will show the quality, the size, the scope of our project now. As to be brave, saying the Nanado, I in the health sector. You see, it is a very poor record compared to what President Mahama did. Now, I am going to say, almost me question on Moboka. Say, almost 4 years ago, almost me to throw NDC 8 years. A political suicide. There's no way they will ever win an argument like that. Now, I feel me uncle transport.
Maybe still on health. Inherited projects are. What central region? I would want to stay in the central region. Nothing. In the central region, completed construction of ongoing polyclinic at Besiase. Only one. Inherited. It's completed. Completed construction of ongoing polyclinic at Gomwa de Rampon. Completed construction of ongoing polyclinic at Ekumfi Naka. And there's a tall list here. I mean, one more inherited from the NDC here. From what the Vice President can one, what complete.
So, say, I buy the complete project in the star and down. Your project to be what?
Was it a man about complete project? Anything?
It is star and down.
Okay.
And I think I'm catching out there, and then it's $1 million. Something about Jerry. Do not see Diamania. Which me is to find for that. The Yana said, Obey, you man, I bet you that. Sad matter. But then, because I Jerry, to die, mammy. Not me now, happy bar. Now, because a war for your sister here. Maybe now we done because that's the beautiful. Answer on my minimum Befio National. Sometime in August 2016, Yenyasika about $23 million from Austria. IEDC, basic 10 polyclinics. I don't know our boss no. Says on penny mama or Cascade Sword. I will go more the ramp at a number in 2016 as a ceremony for all 10 projects. And a post young to us, Oshia Bemu, into Jessica not to hope. Into say, you just have 1 hour, now the mark contract and Malaysia, and yet be the two, and yet achievement because Obia did me. Ebium, as a penny, Mamma, they see a national. They start time Casika about 79 million euros. Oh, this is 5 district hospitals. Oh, weta, Tolong, Bole, any and Yami. And also, Sika, Dawa, Austria, September, and I contract and sign a contract and a friend of Vamit. In Sisa Babeto, now you're contractor, Yaman discuss with you hospital, a Becoso. Now, Sewoba Bemu, to send your Mampenico for share affordable house na ase ne sika bi ana ho no ye ba ye no ye bra yan se ye sika e dey complete first 1400 na wom so what to me ye sika ye saa e na wutu ho because no e ye wan so sika ana say one wa sika ne dey ye ma me man fa tumi bi.
But Felix, me know a long conversation, but you go so education komoyano. Honorable Richard Amponsa, or Dean of MMCs in the Eastern Region. Them say Otien Komatusha Causeway. Now or say our quick correction be to make. I will just give him that chance and then me know Atwaso Wadaroma. Felix. Honorable Amponsa fantastic. My interview.
Yo, me da sit here for chair, your man penny. And vice president, and ready my pa on being more my Ghana. Masam Katra make capture an album member and say, as a cartoon was now compare projects now, all come out and say, and this is here on with Dow Hono, a mood in the the car. Near Yamagana party, and say projects are Enra, the vice president, a better than a dealing in Ano, and your project are MPP. You're starting in 2017. You're there so more form. Any ongoing. All projects are NDC Jahona, ye no, Yansoba Kaho. No example. So, Opa, a team so do a chance of this. Me watching so do I send the children about chance. We project or Ademra, not NDC, I by 60%. We Ademra, Mafankaho. Apoliago, Yanfankaho. Adensu, Yanfankaho. Epitumum. Yanfanka, where your project are? Yan Kasa, it's a year 2017 a year. Indeed, I didn't let so I'm going around. Not almost call for the check. Near the buy, no, a young project are ye and now another Yankasa chassis. I don't know what debate, you know. I lively. Okay, it's honorable, but it was a year 8,746 projects now, more complete, you know. Niamo inherited from NDC and Kahun. Debbie. A MPP initiated project. Okay. If you want to walk around, what is the GPS address? Can do Corona as well? Bra a chance over chance here. Coco said Yoko. Yoko is a classroom or a project in the yes, I see any area. Oba and you know. Just a crown runner was in a project. Pierre, maybe this piano. And this project area and come. Okay. Honorable Medase, thank you for the quick my friends here. That's Richmond Amponsa, Dean of MMCs in the Eastern Region. Felix. Yeah. One for the young candidate. Meno Cafe, they can't be. Yeah. And you want to say about me, about 36 health projects. On the tree and almost battle. Yes. Until many have been how does it affect the debate I hear? And I thought, you know, it is even not true. Say, we just on the two, yeah, almost as almost for example. The about route 4 interchanges on the two, you know, Dr. Bamia, I will tell your machine. In case some of them, it's not following the debate. Okay. Okay. Answer to be intervening in debate, let's all see the okay. But in any event, so what the almost almost at the echo on the two, you know, a nude 4 years people. So there's a debate over that. Okay, but Felix, what about 4 interchanges? You know, so now you move to road infrastructure, no, and Vice President Kain said the cost of 4 interchanges here, $289 million. For Nina Kabumo, $289 million. Now, Mama Pencil Circle interchange, $260 million. Felix, I don't know pedestrian analysis. In some kaya, some Emuno na entas. Mr. Javita William, Kaya Feno, Mercedes Benz S Class. Yes. So he said you hire on $100,000. Mr. Wu, the motor Toyota Corolla, yes, sir. Any S Class Baku boy. An auto language Bakuma. Any Kia Picanto. Niansa, a boy. No. What logic is that about me? No, okay, sir. Felix. Michelle said, may I start on the Florida make us say Overwatch, no boy.
Let's remember what? See, the fact that you know I was no, I said the same, everything in the same price now. So that's on the fact. We studio ultimo from FM. Sabi, and TTFM studio. So compare should be the same price because meaning I studio now. If you have make anything, that logic that about me and MPP before, or did I assume that there are variations in prices of projects in Chipotle. It makes mockery of the office of the vice president. Mr. So when you are that here, for Kwame Nkrumah interchange, you may say what several times. For sure, Mr. Pia Eye. Now we are just 2 kilometers towards Cali. Now share the airport will be able to say in the park.
But you better the circle the ana compare Pokwasi the ya wo ba wo say wo ma be renegotiation at the 1 tier cry aka ho cost no abafam
of all the 4 interchanges. Circle interchange so far followed by Pokwasi interchange. Pokwasi interchange. I know so as so say you be able to into the price I some but we don't and you say we brave it gas what you see. I thought you the circle interchange no. Bridge now is still ring road. A copy my woodman. A 1.2 kilometers and 1,200 meters. A 6 lanes. Ne Katiano a 24. A year Ubechablante interchange no. Bridge I saw Compano, Wapane, and a circle interchange a 2 interchanges at Sambu. Baku through good. So and then there is a loop, a road that no, a circular, a sea, ring road, so, and then join the father back. There were lorry stations, there were police stations, there were emergency health centers. Yes, I was Kwame Nkrumah Park. It is a vice president of the United States, not of a secretary. Interchange, yeah, you did for Ghana, no, and suddenly what a park. A pedestrian catalyst,
but Felix, whilst you are trying to justify 260 million on the circle interchange, no, we should also not forget, say, Pokwasi interchange plus other interchanges, they all come with other components, which are ancillary components. Sani Abubo police station, Abubo Bonekeka, one circle interchange, Felix.
The scope of
Felix, Jinaye Mami, online need to track a
who's your name?
Me too.
Let's now, you're going to find the scope of work. A year, it might test that AN. That's for Obia different, and yet, it's a mile of MSC as Nebu, saying to you,
Felix, maybe I'm award here, but Odane Honka, yeah. I keep losing you in bets online. Yes, Felix.
What do you mean?
Metonka.
Let's say scope of work of action. Say that create in any event, and a poker that that's about big enough with Mr. and say to my interest. Yang ya prepare 83.6 million TFN. Near what you should February 20th, the chassis. Can you not development bank? Almost designed as a state yet at Dwaso.
Felix, I think we may have to call you back. Say a throw back. Now, you should say a bit to me. Felix Kwacho Fusu is a former deputy communication minister and the parliamentary candidate Abra Asebu Kwaman Kese. But so these are the issues. The other sectors are no ebeko. And Roman Penny Abedi said to so they've done more by spending less. Felix.
Yeah, Jerry.
I think that yeah.
Now me kate. Pokwasi interchange, and so and saying Kwame Nkrumah interchange. Obi akacho say say Kwame Nkrumah interchange sinifu enya no kre. E wom say ye 3 and I said Dwaso and 9. But enya no kre say in terms of price.
Pocas na 40 and 3 because 40 yes.
Originally, na 3 years.
And a government buy a renegotiation.
Or yeah, renegotiation. Or you redesigning. You see, as you say, the municipality. And you redesigning.
And yet renegotiation of the contract no obey.
Okay. You know, 3 years. That's the 4th year. Sana on bet my year no e say omutwa bi free 3 year no ho the original design and almost the 4th year na so at matter e say wuti 4-bedroom house now say me the swimming pool be ka ho na e feel be ka say there be me fa swimming pool in ka na mo me the 5-bedroom house so at matter
yes
the cost of the swimming pool no about the
extra bedroom
that's all.
Okay,
that's all. I know it's like not 3 years, no neighbor thing. As in 4th year. Indeed, project coordinators no almost granting interviews they play was hard you. So because of some in the 4th year, you almost design design. If you are original designer, you're quoting one piano and almost year. If you a father, Mummy and Yah Yamuka said, now you might bow Yanni and before that I ain't in tra and Yanu Cre, Edigu and it's Hukino. Sabbath and the boss, Dr. The person and I for it. At the car say radio hospital, I inflated that. At that time, appears the engine. Or the car said, Caswa in touching the inflated. On one case, the current deputy road minister, on Abu Dum, and the exposed the engine. Or the cat says, every $10 million, Equator diary, and not engine. And almost I repeated the same old line in Tra, HMO engine of Kena no Municipality. It's a metro. So be a catch out, circle in Sati, the inflated, and Yano Cre. It is illogical and transforming say on the summit say all interchanges must cost the same. There's no logic to this kind of analysis. Project Biano, the design, Necasia, even building materials are any baby a year, and the determined cost. And yet the fact that your friend interchanges, let's say it doesn't enter a mouth analogy. The debit a year part one say, oh, for Mercedes-Benz S-Class. But it will cost $200,000, depending on the view of the tunnel and then space. But so what Toyota Corolla Miensa now can book one $100,000. I'm not saying Mercedes Benz no give you a boo and asset later. It is just that a car, Papa, as in Toyota Corolla. That's all.
Okay, but this is a comment from the vice president. Say one more, they've done more by spending less. To quote him. And also, so that'll be the final one. Now, if probably at the right time, no, Ajimena Yakum. Felix.
How have they done more by spending less? My proof say sector by sector, they have not done more. In fact, Omoba Omega 147 billion Ghana cedis in Bosia Pay. So what they count other streams of revenue one. Omega almost 300 billion in 3.5 years, and that's 4 years. Yang a car, the car Ghana was 810 billion in 8 years. Total Sika in here, 248 billion. It's hard, they have received more, but they have done less. In every, my memory with you, last one as they are called, over here, not making it. And then, we share the Facebook on, as well as before, Polycan Bakubi, and nobody see your achievement. We didn't even used to add boreholes to the achievement because near him said, even though I didn't see your in terms of significance, I was forming saying other big projects. If you, for instance, strong water expansion project, South project, no, and might ensure 40 million gallons a day, and 700,000 in 80 communities are the northeastern part of Greater Accra, any part of Eastern region. 40 million gallons a day. This desalination project for this year, it produces 9 million gallons a day. A 500,000 almost what the eastern part of Accra. MP before end to me far or more investment in issue and to in terms of Nipa, your mom issue. It's on what basis in Nassau more or my Becate or my business, you know, and we discuss Kuma and I know any day. It is simply not true. And you're not correct.
Me John Quino said, me Mama Quenya said, Reti, the performance of the NPP government, almost 4 years near. Obama was saying, I mean, percentage wise.
Yeah, rate, Rate, ye did not on one Casabasa on the share, so. Oh, manifesto. Now, 14% out of 631 prompts. You move 14% Penumina. So the rating was that a scientific rating. If we are no move Janekra, if your Mancasa promise, say a visions and statements. The actual rating, I know scientifically. Now, and Dr. Bamia, when to me, I'm a young kind. When to me, I'm today, say, someone or more can say, almost 4 years, no, a bro, and this is 4 years, 8 years, no, which we have and what that's the sector by sector. When to me, Mr. William, aviation, back, maybe transport. Aviation, you must say, where you must. Or my penny mama, or rehabilitate arrival hall of Terminal 2 a work to car. Or see Terminal 3. A process 5 million passengers at the or your phase 1 of Kumasi Airport expansion. And I operate to come 63 million euros for phase 2. Or your phase 1 of Tamale International Airport. Or see brand new airport. Or expanded Wara Airport. Nana Kufuado. The only idea why yes, our aviation, and they say, prepare 53 million euros for phase 3 of Kumasi Airport. And now, say, or expanded Sunyani Airport.
Okay.
Chief, why you compare it? Who has done more?
Felix, I say a jibre na Oba studio sector by sector at least for about 2 hours. Now for yetimi enya time na yetwetwe enkomo yi but na pay my fancy here, my fancy here. All right. So Felix Kwacho Fosu, former deputy communication minister and parliamentary candidate for Abrasi Bukwama Kesi. Well, and I pay Star Life Assurance and age now maybe sir abraba ubwe afe aye dayanim mfie mienu aye dayanim mfie nu dayanim hefa na pese uhunu ho abra wo yes antutu nyina no unhia achiginafo eno nti na me comfort Star Life Assurance de amawo ni GMO arehuomo wo mugina wachi ntutu ya ene hihye papa efa wawo ho efa wo ma ho efa wadwuma ho ni nyina no Star Life Assurance de nhihye kronjen na egu akwan so awo mo de beboa wo enti hyene nso na ene ya abomoden se won Star Life for ebetwetwe enkomo obi nim ochina asem ebusua enti dwene wachina one Star Line for entry come on 0302739600 0302739600 and they are Star Life your solid partner latex foam so the foams papa and I beg so now one konya 1 seater 2 seaters and a 3 seater L-shaped sofas in there no edutrem effect na ewa hoden so colors bebre and that one more de abedja so into work in the comfortability, durability, quality and perfect finishing in latex foam your partner for life. Bring a bantem send this ka Vodafone cash so fakwa network bia free o send this ka no dey free Vodafone cash so e dey network bia so a free yentew peswampo yentew Enti so na also enjoy dial star 110 hash na feel Vodafone cash no Vodafone say the future is exciting ready yade ya ebusia so we benya wa na fiare yade bia etete wo no make am for grace we path clinic na dey amount wo mo won fidie ni ndru wo hon ma wo me de betwew in fact me call ho doctor for na nurse for mo ho what womo yade na ne ani kakra ne say wuduru hwa nduro na yade be ma no nko na obetua ho eka general consulting laboratory services general body scan physiotherapy dietary counseling ni na no free enti geometry kwa Madina akachi abo last stop Madina akachi abo last stop na be hunu Grace homeopathic clinic wo number ni 0556 18166 0556 18166 and a 0200 067 500 0200 067 500. Grace Homeopathic Clinic is a mission from God for humanity. Ekwane kwatnase but answer na no me mo cash na omo de aso mo kotoku we UMB controller loan ahotraba COVID-19 amani paso ayehye papa na pamia me ba ya me hwa wa na sene otekwa na ho baabi na so be ma yemre but UMB controller loans 15,000 Ghana cedis can 15,000 150,000 can 1.5 billion na fe ufie no wetimi de awie na fe bi so na wo school ne person pursue master's degree program and also size can be bo pa wo kan no a eto husie da bia egu anim ase no hia ka afoforo sa 150,000 e betimi aboa wo enti bowura UMB bank bia near den say woni account wo hokora no a sa loaning unsabetimi akabi ya ma sa loaning in less than 48 hours near ma 48 months now they trying kakra enti bomodin now ne UN before and twetwe enkomo me kwaku
CJ na sa besia umbetimi ama me bi atosade atetiare
what the 150,000 can 1.5 billion no kwato sade atetiare
obi a innovation
Jim FM.
Very cool.
Adom Nsem.
A jump for my tree nanny. Eh, mammy Maduma. And to us and beside Hannah say
person me de kutu a jana wo me fie me village atria
1.5 billion no.
Say me obi den de very side me person me de kutu sabio yane e wo me fie watria
Onya mu
bomba la tree na say ope
and de me pen say de me pen no
ayi pretty
me pen say de me pen no de me person me de ye no so mbetimi ama me eza de hia ona de hia
me the number na etuja nti nia ope 150,000 akoto sade atete awe ene nia ope 150,000 e de akosi bumper latrine number ni nie o asem bisa bia frɛ 0302633988 and ato free 0800 100 I'm fancy ana Jim Nsem nanke bi wakura ho am de twa so bat
ntimi nkasa bi
kwagu
CJ
I want to know.
Erade Adom.
Fantastic.
Wata no so ani da ho.
Mekuya.
So we see blue. Wata we see blue. Come up. Say baby. What you say? We are prima for nation.
Oh, kwaku dey say ya.
And about to ne bon chen say no. What you say? When you prima ni asa about me be de wanya.
see blue dey na time e makala.
When you prima ni unya. Mother. Skin ni yonko ni prima ni. Is it? Yes, I just got to side at the terry I want to.
Yo.
Afo ni so.
Yo.
What's a prima for?
Money 150,000 fantas hadi nkrata ne gu anim ho no.
Na sije komo ya na udi ne mu de. Wahon obi apeso a trade watimi ayede am man na eye. Sanka abre bia se ya nanke politics be ye. Maye benkum wonso aye nifa maye mienu wonso aye miensa fa de be kire me fa me de me kire ka se bia ni ho anke ya da sije ki ya beda na mum se ya baba ya manyosem na ade chi bia wo beti ese atwa obi aso ade be chi ese de ade ahwe obi apampam ade be chi yes obi hwena bu ene ade de ho de ya na ha dwinti ki ni se ya wo count de na maka
we your friend of politics of ideas
What is it? Well, yeah. Yeah, that Tigwase for WhatsApp messages in the 0556748029. If you are the any crowd way out there, Shasi.
Ghanaian time so.
Yanko.
Ghanaian time.
Hey.
Ghanaian time.
Chronicle.
I find this. Chronicle.
I know how Ponacra assemble by I travel on a home who say a pony. And no cry. Say, I didn't know, so I do commit the Ghanaian times. Make it the Chronicle, Brasso double cratano. Now, CJ. Enwume wanye bia kenkan de musamo aho enwume ye ade bechi bia ne chese wo bia peso obubo mu ntokuro obia nyaaya no obubo enwume mu ntokuro eze de mai adwuma de manu so yo so anyo so otiwo so de ne sase ndemre fam no suo afa de book yin wasam no obeka
papa be no
papa no so ga papa yi
why
papa no citizen vigilante
prosecutor
special prosecutor prosecutor
Martin Alamisi Benz Kaiser Amidu
ono na sam ne yeken oguso prosecutor afa o prosecutor wan ntati amponya
ekwa krata no sesen
afa de ono de no abagi mu se ai enwuma ya papa eturo ye se ne obi egusu bubo mu ntokroko ono so bo ne de no de ntokro na obo no bofa eye professor general no poko agema ne mfim ho no de efa ye se enwuma no enianimu ho ba bi ma me na turo yo eno wose wohwe ma me credentials pa ekita no a wode ekokotro sa bia no a na se ye fa no enwuma ni mu pa mu nsemu a ma me ne ni kwan se nko ye sa adwuma na okoye ye no enti ono so ene yi eho no wode ne de ne nenam wono so ebrobro so ko era bra yi we free papa no aba bra no mills ne right hand man krefre ne sen koku anyi do ho ne de no so kra ya tro ho so mehwe nanim sentiment hunu din mu the bull one na ka sen o se han ono entity pa de kanema mpani AJ emails o ma ne bi papa tete o de ma no na ye ni di atem te se bia JJ Rollins kanema mpani ye ni di na tem ne ade no se no de wan kere ne sa entity o te se ye babies with sharp teeth no wo mu kansem gu papa no so no wo no wan te so wo ka bia na te se entity a mills de ma no na no enka ho ena papa ba akwen so sa papa ye no kasa ye ya Felix ababe broskoto ne nsem ye gu baabi vice president an ono so ona e kasa wo se he NPP amamu owe mu no wo se oman no adodode no ya chama wo bie nyane de obia wo se mansini bie nyane de mansina wunya na me hwe o sache central de ne nya sache central
bia kwa wache
me ko wache mom de ba me de de nya
aya kofie samo
enano amiko mikrum se aguna bipoa me hu se kwan no mu dwiso na omu dwiso wie ndie me nkọ ho nti me kwa akọhwe se omo guso a
enano so kra
de krum no
enti minimum ad me kwa akọcheki mo me Freddy no me bisa se ya nyambia yes sache central ede ni enya yenso yebetimi de yensa esiso MPP abai wo se national cake no bi enya de yes enya ye de a wo monka minti
fire Ghanaian Times the Bokrata mfanto aso na Ghanaian Times en wode opanyini Kofi Buachi ni fo nyina ba betro ane tan Kofi Buachi zo police sadom no se won the legal and prosecution so na opanyini wode nsema ba betu dwa wo se abato di ntro wa winim so ye basabasa wa winim so tro odi mienu wa winim so boss tro wa winim so twituo wa winim so twe aba wo pene to pene no wankasa fa ho bra essence wo be mamra ne madi no e wo mayi emu a ene e ho sema ba na mampanyini yeso de so abofom a elembele mpotem ne 200 kilometers akwantempo ye ba bedwuso ne aguso na yese moto se kwa bisto apampam a wadi gina wa chiwi etese de elembele fatadwufo wa wo mate de pa jisije mame fancy asana mabudia
agora ku memonya
we are sitting
na kobi over ose wa papa man
no me ba bo kwa kai masem
my lawyer will call you
me lawyers wamne irrigated sports for no wamne omu obi ka
ne lawyer wo asembo ne po
enti Jerry Justice wutie mi a una ye host na se ampofo age enso so ka ho me lawyers no one betro mo
ede no mo kan
men kan no
ade me kan na no pay ya no
obinu mi ko kwadu kumi na kwa champa masa fuadu abusia oya trotro driver taxi driver na wutie mi a hye no so total taxi club no emu ayede achede ayede che driver for just by registering o register taxi card no free we asan che achede aka ho eno twemu a your group personal accident insurance cover worth up to about 6,000 Ghana cedis no bia wanya akwanhia bia na hododo wo driver ni no ye de ma na afei top 300 drivers no bosumi bia ye che free fuel and afei we driver na afei we invite drivers 5 ebe ka ho a wo se me de bo akọ ka ho no na ma invite drivers 5 so aka ho eno so achede wo ho enti we wo mpewe na apede fa o taxi card no fa di dwa wo de bu fuel wo de ye shopping se sam wo yere ne ade na o be o de point ade ano no na wunya achede enti mo ede we ye total taxi club Bora Total Filling Station bia Jack joining the best club in Ghana, the Total Taxi Club. Total Taxi Club was still a bosso keke. Se woji ahoho na party bi pro bi na woto ne ade a wo hia Puma drinks fofora aba forward ever backwards never be brave be confident be determined and be joyful give yourself a special treat so Puma drinks no flavors ne doso your apple cola tamarind apple banana orange tropical and a best of energy and no pa malt no so kama cranberry and a pineapple enti sharing so vitamins no ashemu mase be enti abofro openinu Puma drinks no when you be no ma eboane pa it's a whole new vibe enti sharing so na nebo no so kra da fam park ni nyina no 13 Ghana cedis pe and a fee bottle back on 150 pesos a business line 34 and Kotobi Romonton to phone 0262 351 251 0262 351 251 this is another quality product from the Casapeco Company Limited. Alex Cobinastone Wakumanka Bakwa Waka and Sroja Edra and you know numero uno Sheshe Adom Sports page 1 from long